Bigyan po natin sila ng moment kasi pinatapos pa po nila yung kanilang photo. Ay, yun na po ba kayo? Mag-start na po tayo. Ayan. Alright, magandang hapon. Isang mainit na tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Singingin ng araw sa labas. Alam po namin mainit ninyong, dahil po sa init na yan, ipapadama natin kay Mami Hermie ang init ng ating pagmamahal. Okay ba yun, Greg? Ayan. Today po, meron po tayong very short program. And before we start, let's, careful ka anak ha. Rai, Rhythm will lead us with an opening prayer. Okay? We can also... No.
Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day. We thank you for Lola Hermie's 75th birthday. You have blessed my Lola with a wonderful life, family, loved ones, and friends. To keep her company, we know our Lola just in heaven is smiling. You kept my Lola safe and